Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle of today's additional in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, April the 30th, 2021, the last day of the month, April. Tomorrow it will be May. Alright, and the third puzzle is a binary puzzle. And this will be number 27119. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary. Yes. Alright, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double one, here an O, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Now, between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. We have 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. And now, do I need to compare? That's the question. Yes, I need to compare. And I only can compare the rows because the columns are too are now are not a lot of digits. Yes. 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? No. And I have only 3 rows completed. Okay. Let me compare. 101. No, 101 here. 101. Almost the same, except the last 2 digits. 1100110011, and I cannot place an O and a 1 here because then I will have identical rows. Not allowed in the binary puzzle, so this cannot be an O, this cannot be an O, and this cannot be a 1. So those digits, I need to switch those digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright, double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Alright. Need to compare again. Yeah. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Then I need to compare. Yes, then I need to compare again. Double 1. Do we have a double 1 here? Yeah. Oh no. 101 here. Yeah, 010. 010, 1, yeah. This row and that row. The second row and the 5th row. 0011, 001111, empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 5 minutes. All right, great. Binary. Only tries to compare. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Could be a hard one. Who knows? We will see. Bye bye for now.